Welcome, I'm Aliki. I'm here to help you upgrade your energy. In this video, we're going to play together. I decided that I can't just keep telling you to play. It's time we start playing together. So I'm going to make a series of videos that will get more and more advanced as they go, where we play with light, we play with energy, we play with energy in you and around you. We're gonna have so much fun. So if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's get started. We're going to picture the most beautiful white light that exists, and we're going to see this right in the palm of your hand. So hold out your hand and see just a small cell of beautiful light, beautiful white light dancing right in your hand. And see it slowly growing. It's growing and becoming like a little sun, a little star, right in the palm of your hand. Now, as you see this star, see that it's shining, not just outwardly, the way you see the sun shining outwardly, and it warms us, and it warms the earth, and the trees, and the plants, and everything's so happy in the sunlight. See it shining both outwardly and inwardly. So this beautiful light, this beautiful white light, it's got all the colors of the rainbow in it, and they're shining inwardly and outwardly. You can see its light moving in all directions simultaneously, right in the palm of your hand, dancing in your hand. You can feel its happiness. It's sharing its happiness with you. Now stretch your hand out. Stretch your hand out and see this ball of light, this beautiful sun becoming even bigger right in the palm of your hand. Now turn your hand. See how gravity doesn't let the sunlight drop from your hand, doesn't let the sun drop from your hand. It's right there. It's beautiful, and you can play. This expands what you believe. This expands what you know to be true. Playing and having fun with the light right here, right now, playing. And now do the same in your other hand. Stretch out your hand. See the little suns in your hand growing bigger. Have them about this size in each hand. And turn your hands and see the beautiful light. It's rainbow color. It's full of happiness, full of love, power, wisdom, knowledge, just playing here in your hands. Now, as you're holding your hands, picture the sun that is deep within your heart, deep within your core, awakening. It is awakening, it's waking up, and it's shining bright. The beautiful white light that is in you, it's shining outwardly and inwardly, all at the same time, like the beautiful sun growing within you, awakening in you. And now take the suns in your hand, that sounds funny, the suns, but that's what it is, and put them all three together. So now you have three suns playing together, playing right in your heart, playing right in your core, and they're shining bright. Their light now is even brighter, is even more and more beautiful. It's getting more and more beautiful because their happiness is growing, because their joy is growing. And now see this growing and expanding to all of you, and awakening all the light that is in you, in every cell, in every fiber of your being. It's waking up, it's playing. It's time for all of you to play in light. Just let everything else go and play with the light that is and always has been in you. So let this light be. Let this light play. Feel it in every cell, and all the way down to your feet, all the way up in your head, in your hair. See the little suns of light in your hand, and feel it as you play with your hair. As you feel your hair and you feel the light, feel it on your face, on your heart, on your arms, feel the little suns in your hands. Play with the light. You can play anywhere, you can play anytime. Just take a moment from your day and just picture the light in your hands playing. It just takes a moment for you to smile. It takes a moment for you to laugh. It takes a moment for you to wake up, to hold the light in your heart, to hold the light that is in you. Feel it. You can feel it any moment. It's yours and it's always with you. And you can play and have fun anytime. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe and like.